My name is Angeline Balsaquim Course English B1. Video the ecological action to reduce harmful effects on the environment. Bicycling or walk has been an effective way to reduce emissions. Choosing sustainable means of transportation help the planet. If people recycle more of where would they list garbage in the ocean? If we planted more trees, we would improve air quality, promoting biodiversity, help conserving ecosystem. If we were to use of say electronic devices when we are not using them, we would save energy. Educate about responsible water use, creating environmental awareness. Implementing great action is no only an option, but a shared responsibility. If each person adopts sustainable habits such as reducing, recycling, reusing, and consuming responsibly, the negative effects on the environment could be significantly reduced. Thank you for your attention.